have a question here that k cube minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0, and we need to find the value of, right? So whenever we have these types of questions, what do? We always use whatever is given. We are given k cube minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. This is given, right? So if I write k cube plus 1 on the left hand side and right hand side as 2k, why did I do that? So in my question, wherever I have higher degrees, I can reduce the degrees there. What will I do now? I have k by k raised to power 5 plus k square plus 2, right? Now I will use the term this thing. What will I do? K by, what is k raised to power 5 plus k square? How can I write it these things? Can I take k square common? Inside the bracket we will be left with k cube plus 1 and 2 we will write as it is, right? Okay, then k by k square. What is the value of k cube plus 1? We are given k cube plus 1 is 2k, right? So I will write it as 2k plus 2, right? Now we have k by, this is 2k cube plus 2. Earlier in my question the degree was 5. Now it has been reduced to 3, right? So k by, I will take 2 common. I'm left with k cube plus 1 again. Now what will I do? K by 2 and k cube plus 1 is 2k, right? So k by, I can write it as 4k, right? I will cancel out k and k. Then what is the answer? 1 by 4. So we were supposed to find out the value of this term and we found it as 1 by 4. I hope you understood this. If you like this, do visit my channel for more Maths Olympiad questions, conceptual based questions and short tricks. Thank you.